हाय दोस्तों। हमें हारने से ज्यादा जीतने की खुशी होती है, लेकिन कभी हमने सोचा है कि उस जीत को पाने के लिए कभी कभी हमें हार को भी एक्सेप्ट करना जरूरी है। Guys, we need to talk about, whenever we lose, why we lose, and can we get up, can we overcome this? This is very important. And why I'm talking about this topic is because after going through so many processes, after going through so many personal life accidents, incidents, and especially a win and a lose, there are so many things that people are not able to accept in their life. People always wants to win, but when you lose, can you overcome it? Do you have the guts to overcome it? Guys, this is a very important realization for everyone whosoever is listening to this. The reason being, whenever I was talking to these guys who wants to appear for SSB, they want to become an officer. So first of all, the thing is they need to accept their failures also. People are not ready to accept their failures. They are not ready to discuss it in case they face any failure in their life. They become very depressed, they become demoralized, and they are not able to get up. Guys, this is not the way. In fact, in case by anyhow, by any means, even if you get through and you become an officer, your life will be a living hell, because there will be so many circumstances, there will be so many situations where you might face a failure for that success which has to come next. You have to understand that it's not just the success every time. Sometimes in life you do fall and then you have to get up. First of all, the guys who wants to go for this, my first advice, please introspect yourself. Please go through yourself and see, do you have this in you? If you fail, can you get up? And first of all, when you fail, do you have the guts to accept it? And once you accept it, only then you can get up and you can try next. When I was going through, I was giving some coaching to people, I realized that this is a fact which is pulling most of the people. They have a particular mindset. They want either success or they just want to quit. Guys, there is a line wherein you have to decide. In fact, in case that I lose, again I have to get up and I have to prepare myself. Whatever the circumstances were, you have to leave them behind. Again, you have to get up. The main reason and the main question is, can you do it? Because after going through a lot, after my own experiences, plus my own experiences when I am telling people, giving them some kind of coaching, how to go ahead with their career goals, people are not ready to accept this failure. And in case in your life you are not ready to accept this failure, guys, you cannot move ahead. So please, if you want to join the defense forces, I must tell you that be ready to accept the failure, because there will be so many stages, there will be so many other tasks in life, in your personal life, in your professional life. You might not be able to do each and every one, or you might fail also. But being a Fauji or being an officer, it's your moral responsibility to get up again, correct yourself, and again go and win. So guys, you have to prepare yourself mentally before you go. This is something very spick and span and very short for you to understand, that whatever I am telling you, first of all, listen to this, put it in your minds, and after that only start asking questions and start applying for all these exams. Because you might fail, you might succeed, but that success which is just by luck will not take you till the end. You guys will break in between. So if you don't want to do that, please look at yourself, look inside yourself, and then decide, can you do it? Only if you can do it, then guys, please come and ask for the advice and then do join. Because if you can't, sorry, this is not the field that you should go and join, because you will feel humiliated at so many places that you will break. And in case of failure, you break, then it's a game end. So guys, please, again, my humble request, before applying, before thinking for all these things, I want to apply for SSB, I want to become an officer and all, first of all, try and learn fighting the failures. If you can do that, only then you can become a good officer, and then you can become a good gentleman. So guys, that's my advice. Rest of all videos, whatever are there, they help to you, guide you and everything. But this is something which is above and over and above everything whatever I have told you. If you can go through this, you can look at yourself, you can decide that what kind of person you are. If you can do it, only then I think so you should proceed ahead in your life. That's a very gentle advice from my side. Rest is up to you. you want to try, you can give it a try, but you know the circumstances, it's life. Failures and success both run side by side. In case you fail and you are not able to get up, sorry guys, that will be a game over for you. That's it from my side. I hope you do understand yourself and you do apply it. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.